It's breakfast time again. Let's do something new. Let's cook something different. Well, let's cook something old, but in a different way. Hey, welcome back, everybody. I'm Dave Garrett, This Vet Cooks. Thanks for stopping by and Happy New Year. Hope your year is going well so far. I know we're just into it, but either way, it's got to start off somehow. So hopefully it starts off pretty good. Anyway, as I said at the top, we're going to make breakfast. Again, I love breakfast. Hey, who doesn't, right? But we're going to try something. We're going to do something. We're going to make an omelet, but we're going to do it a new way. We picked up, went over to the local Wal-Mart, and we found this thing here. It's a microwave 4-in-1 egg cooker. That was like from PrepSolutions, Progressive PrepSolutions Miracle Ware. And it says it does omelets, breakfast sandwich, egg bites, and poached eggs. I love me some poached eggs. But we're not poaching them. We're making an omelet today. All right, so there it is. This is what it looks like. It's one of those clamshell things that opens up like this. And there we go. So let's get it out of the package and let's get started. Right, there it is. Let's get it out of the packaging. Of course, you know, they make it with this. There we go. There we go. All right, that's it. It does tell us on the back, make eggs 4 ways, easy to clean, non-stick surface breakfast sandwich insert. It has a poached egg bites or egg bites insert. It's got the omelet. And there we go. So that's it. That's all there is to it. Let's see. 1-year limited warranty, BPA free, microwave safe, top rack, dishwasher safe. And a warning, when removing from microwave, as product may be hot. Hot steam, beware of hot steam when removing the cover. There it is right there. So it does tell you to be careful. So, and yeah, it will generate some heat. All right, that's it. Well, nothing on the outside. Let's open it up. Let's take a look here. How do we do this? Okay, well, really easy to open. Oh, we got stuff. All right, there's for our poached eggs. Not too shabby. A little, ooh, I like it. A little chart tells what you're doing. If you're doing an omelet, the part you're going to use is just the yellow. And 2 minutes, 30 seconds, and up to number of eggs is 3. Oh, 3 egg omelet. I like a 3 egg omelet, but I only do 2 eggs. All right, and here's that egg bites. Yeah, not bad. Or for breakfast sausage. There we go. And just a little separator there, not bad. And again, little paper separator there. All right, so what have we got? So there we go. So there's that. Oh, look, it does say recipes right there when you flip it over. And what have we got? So for an 3 egg omelet, we're gonna lightly oil the bottom half of the omelet maker and add some chopped tomatoes or spinach and a 1/4 cup of grated cheese. Combine the 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk, and pour egg mixture over tomatoes and cheese. Close the lid and cook for 2.5 minutes. Top with sliced avocados, chopped chives, salt, and pepper. Oh, there we go. And there's all the other recipes. There's for your breakfast sandwich. There's for your egg bites. There's for your poached eggs. All right, let's do an omelet. I'm getting hungry. Let's make it happen. We're only going to use 2 eggs. Now I know. I'm one of those that the first recipe should always be the recipe you find, the one that they provide. But you know what? I just can't. I'm not going to do it. So we'll do that. All right. So let's make it happen. All right. Let's get some tomatoes chopped up, and we'll see what we can do here, and maybe add a little other stuff. All right. There it is. I just rinsed it off. Just, you know, it's the first time out of the packaging. Get rid of all of that. Then the recipe called for lightly oiling. We're going to go ahead and use our Hill Country Fare canola oil spray, non-stick cooking spray. Give it a good shake. Oh, and it's part of the Texas size pack. There we go. All right. Let's make it happen. There we go. Got that in there. All right. Next thing it says to do is add our chopped tomatoes. Well, we opted out of the tomatoes. What we did do, and this is This Vet Cooks help, she finally diced up some ham, and we still have some ham left over, and some red bell peppers and some onions. Let's go ahead and get that all in there, all nice and neat, all over the place. Get it all mixed in. Alrighty, there we go. Cover the bottom that way. All right, next, 1/4 cup of cheese. We're using the 3 cheese blend. There it is. And we're putting it to the test. There we go. All right, looks good. Now, I know. I said I was going to use 2 eggs. We're out of milk, so I used tablespoons of water, and I went ahead and added the salt and pepper here to this. Just a little bit of salt, lots of pepper, and 3 eggs. We went with 3 eggs, so let's pour it over here. That looks good. That looks like it's going to work. Already, I'm getting positive vibes from this. Yeah, that's going to be hearty, that's for sure. Alrighty, so that's what it looks like. And there we go. Let that all seep through. We're not going to mess with it anymore. There's an onion there. We're going to close the clamshell. And locking it down really is just a push here. It just kind of little extends on the other side. 2.5 minutes in the microwave. Let's make it happen. All right. All right, we'll get that in here. Oops. There we go. And let's wait 2.5 minutes. All right, the timer just went off. 2.5 minutes later. Let's take a look. All right, there it is. Now, we're not going to open this right away. Don't forget, it's going to steam up on us. So we're going to give it a second here. Let's get ourselves a plate ready to go. Alrighty. Now, one thing to note, we did review back the recipe, and there is a little asterisk down here. Cooking times are approximate depending on the microwave. Times based on full power. Now, is this full power 1,000 watts? If that's the case, no, ours is not 1,000 watts. Ours is an 800 watts. Yeah, we did downsize it. So we'll let it sit here and cook on its own. Let the heat do that. So we'll give it here another minute, and then we'll come back when. All right, we let it sit there, let the steam and all of that internal heat just cook it, finish cooking. You kind of do that with scrambled eggs. You don't always cook them to the end. You take them off the heat and let the heat itself, the residual heat, finish cooking the eggs. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh my, look at that. That looks delicious. Fluffy, smells great. Folks, we got to get that app finished. I got to talk to my son about finishing up that app. But let's get it out. Let's get this thing plated. Oh, look at that. And it just slightly moves. Look at that. And it all comes out. Yeah, it's a little, some moisture. I don't know if you can see that here glistening in the, but again, you're expecting that. And yeah, there's a little bit of wet, but for the most part, that looks fantastic. Let's do the tasty taste and let's get this thing finished. Alrighty, well, I'm over here. You know what that means? That's right, vets. Don't forget, Veterans Crisis Line, make the call. Don't hesitate, don't delay, make the call. Holidays are over, but hey, life goes on, right? Now we got to continue on with the new year and let's make it a better year. But you know, sometimes we stumble, we fall, and we got to make that thing happen. So let's make the call. 988, dial, press the number 1. And the Veterans Crisis Line. But again, don't forget, you can always visit the veteranscrisisline.net, the website, and you can chat with them there. And of course, you can text as well. So again, don't forget to make the call. Everybody else, everyone, this applies to you too. It's not just for veterans, but that press 1 is for veterans. So don't hesitate there. Alrighty. And before we wrap this up, before I do the big tasty taste, thank you again. We're in the new year. Let's make this happen. Let's make a wonderful 2025 happen. Again, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe. And do appreciate you being here. And share your ideas if you have any later on. You know, something you want to see made. here we are. Let's make it happen. Let's make 2025 an awesome year. Let's do it together. All right, listen, I'm Dave Guerra, and it's time to do the big tasty taste because here is that omelet. Look at that thing. It is awesome. And it's it's that microwave 4-in-1 egg cooker. We picked it up from PrepSolutions. It was a couple of bucks. I'm not too sure. I forgot how much exactly it was, but it was not over the top. Oh, it was $6. It was about $6 at Walmart. So again, head on over there. But don't worry, I'll be checking out my local HEB also to see if they have one, and we'll give that a try if it's a different brand. All right, so here it is. Let's give it a tasty taste. Oh, it's dense. It is very dense. Ham, cheese, onions, bell pepper, bell pepper. Oh, that is delicious. All right, folks, I'm Dave Guerra. I'm Dave Guerin. This vet cooks.